In this video, we will see why default argument or a default argument always follow non-default argument while defining a function. So to understand this, let's consider this example. So, so here I am creating a function define a function fn and my a comma b and c is equal to 10. So a and b is non-default argument and c is default argument. User pass it is passing value of c is optional for user. So let's print a print a comma b comma c are a comma b comma c and here comma as well. So a comma b comma c. Now call this function fn. I pass 2 comma 4 comma 6. Now a b c are 2 4 6 because position matter while calling the function. So 2 associated with a, 4 associated with b and c associated 6 associated with c, and it will print a b c r. It printed a b c r, then a space, then printing a, then printing b, then printing c. So what if define a function like this. uh, my function gx function is my age 10, b is not you have to pass by user, and c have to pass by user. Now print abcr. Let's say copy this, copying this. So it is saying non-default argument follow default argument. So it is giving error that our default argument, non-default argument is following the default argument, because but while defining a function, there is a rule that if our function taking default argument and non-default argument both, then always default argument follow non-default argument. Means you have to define the function like this. First you define or you pass non-default argument and then pass default argument like 50. Then you can create a function. Now you can see now there is no error. So always remember a thing that whenever creating the class, whenever you are creating function, first there should be default there should be non-default argument, and then there will be default argument. So thanks for watching this video. We will meet you in next one.